Hi guys! So yeah, firstly, got my hair cut, even shorter than it was before. No longer slightly messy hobbit hair. I woke up with a quiff. But that's not what I'm going to talk about this week. I'm going to talk about colds. So, it seems to me everybody has a cold at the moment. But it's the holidays for people at school, and I know having a cold is the worst thing to have in the holidays, because when you're at school and you have a cold, you just miss a couple of days. But holidays, you just lose all of your free time. It's horrible. Hey, it's the holidays, time for computer games, Twitter and Tumblr. Woo! My life is ruined. But also, if someone in your family's got a cold, then it's just horrible because you really don't want to catch it. So you're sat at the dinner table like this. Oh my god, no. No. Oh my god, I can't do this. You give me the plague! It's totally like that. My heart goes out to anyone who's got a cold, especially people who are losing their free time because it's the holidays or something. And I guess for this video to have a purpose, it would need a message. So the message of this video is appreciate your life. Because when you've got a cold, you can't do much, you're kind of stuck in the house. So when you're well, really take every opportunity. Don't waste your life like I do though after I've got a cold. Stop homework. Time for TV! Finally, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed, watched and liked my videos. You're a massive help, and I do these for you to make you laugh, so I couldn't do it without you. Thanks! And like and subscribe for more vids. Bye! Doing this instead of an essay. Gotta love procrastinating. How I'm filming my vids. Filming this and the camera went wrong. For some reason it's going really fast. God, that's bright. So to anyone... Shit.